Hi, my name is Maria, and I am an educational therapist and math specialist. And I wanted to talk to you today about something that keeps coming up more and more for me as we go deeper and deeper into remote learning. And that is how to make a copy of a Google slide presentation. I break it down step by step to help you figure out how to copy a Google slide presentation, either to share it with your students or to share a copy with your teacher friends. Now, I use the analogy of Blackline masters, and I love a Blackline master. I still have tons of files as a teacher. If you've been teaching long enough, you have a ton of files of masters, and you cherish them. And we can think about Google Slides as being like Blackline masters. We don't want to give people our Blackline masters. We want to give them copies of their Blackline masters. And it's with that in mind that I want to introduce you how to share Google slide presentations. All right, here we go. So let's say you have a game that's in Google Slides and you want to either share it with another teacher or you want to have your students play it in pairs or as individuals. In order to do that, you have to share it. So if I gave them just this link, it would be like I was giving them the Blackline master, then let them edit it. Instead, I want to give them a copy. So in order to make my link a copy and not a editable Blackline master, I'm going to look at this link here. You can see here. This is what I just copied. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way to where here it says edit, and I'm going to erase. I know this is like really scary, but it'll be fine. You're not going to ruin the document by changing the letters here, I promise. But you're just going to write copy. And what this does is then when students go to their own browser, you give them the link, they go to the link. It's going to say, would you like to make a copy? It's going to take forever. And then you're going to, they're going to have their own copy, right? So that would be if you wanted to send them a link to make their own copy. Another thing that you can do, and I think, is to just go to make a copy of the entire presentation and maybe make a copy for 2 kids. So like set Jim and Tom. Okay. And that would be the one that you would share it with those 2 kids. And they'll just get a version of the game. So there's 2 ways to copy the document for students, is to either make them their own copy, and you do that by editing the address, or you can make a copy in either Google Classroom or here and under File, make a copy. So those are 2 ways you would share. Thanks for watching this far. If you'd like to learn more about remote learning strategies, particularly teaching math remotely, make sure you check out these 2 videos in my channel. Thanks.